If you haven't tried stuffed potato cheese bread yet, you're seriously missing out. This one's quick, budget-friendly, and absolutely delicious. Let's get into it. Start with plain flour in a wide bowl. Add melted butter, or oil if that's what you've got. Then pour in milk little by little and bring it together into a soft dough. Knead it well, cover it up, and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. That rest is what gives you that soft, pliable texture. While the dough rests, chop up some fresh coriander. Be generous, it adds a beautiful freshness. Now take your boiled potatoes, add cream cheese, the chopped coriander, black pepper, and salt. Then mash it all together until it's smooth and well combined. Taste it. It should be bold and flavorful. This is the heart of the bread. Divide your dough into portions and roll each one into a circle. Grate a good layer of cheese right on top. Don't be shy. Spoon the potato mixture in the center. Fold the edges up and seal it. Press it down gently into a flat round. That cheese inside? That's your surprise layer. Fry it on medium heat with a little oil. A few minutes each side until it's deep golden and crisp. You'll hear the sizzle. That's the sound of a perfect crust forming. Serve it hot and enjoy every single bite. If you love this recipe, subscribe to Foodbook and hit that bell icon so you never miss what's cooking next.